Adventure doesn't wait, and in an unpredictable world, neither should you. From unexpected emergencies to outdoor expeditions, every day carry to full survival readiness. Being prepared isn't just a mindset, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned prepper, a weekend camper, a hunter, or someone who simply believes in staying one step ahead, having the right tactical gear can make all the difference when it matters most. The right tools can keep you safe, help you adapt, and even save your life in critical situations. Today, we're breaking down 16 tactical gear and gadgets available on Amazon that every prepper should consider owning. These are rugged, practical, battle-tested, and designed for real-world use, not just for show. From multi-tools and emergency equipment to high-performance optics and protective gear, this list covers everything from everyday carry essentials to serious survival tools. As always, links to all the products mentioned are in the description below, so you can check them out after the video. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Real Avid Gun Tool. At number 1, we have the Real Avid Gun Tool, a must-have for anyone who owns a firearm or spends time at the range. This multi-tool is specifically designed for gun owners, making cleaning, adjusting, and maintaining your weapon easier than ever. It features a variety of built-in tools, including hex drivers, flathead, and Phillips bits, a choke tube wrench, scope adjustment tool, and even a sharp folding knife blade. Whether you're fine-tuning your scope, making quick repairs in the field, or performing routine maintenance, this tool has everything you need in one compact package. Built from high-quality stainless steel, it is both durable and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-term reliability. The textured side plates provide a secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. Instead of carrying a bulky toolbox, you can keep this compact multi-tool in your pocket or range bag, making it an essential piece of tactical gear for shooters, hunters, and survivalists alike. Number 2. GCI Cook Station. Coming in at number 2 is the GCI Cook Station, a game-changing upgrade for camp cooking. This clever accessory is designed to improve stability, safety, and convenience when using a compact camping stove. By lowering the height of your stove and expanding its base, it reduces the risk of tipping over, especially on uneven ground. This is particularly useful when cooking around kids, pets, or in windy conditions. The cook station provides a wider footprint, meaning your stove no longer relies solely on the fuel canister for balance. It also makes cooking more comfortable by bringing your stove closer to table height, reducing the need to bend over. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, preparing a meal, or cooking for a group, this station adds an extra layer of security and ease. Lightweight and easy to transport, it's a smart addition to any camping setup, making outdoor cooking safer and more enjoyable. Number 3. Tactical Shovel Folding Axe. At number 3, we have the Tactical Shovel Folding Axe, a powerful all-in-one survival tool designed for serious outdoor situations. Made from high-carbon steel with reinforced casting, this rugged tool is built to withstand extreme conditions. It combines up to 24 different functions in one compact design, including a shovel, axe, saw, hoe, whistle, compass, fire starter, and more. This makes it incredibly versatile for digging, chopping wood, clearing brush, or even signaling for help in emergencies. The adjustable handle allows you to change its length depending on the task, while the folding design makes it easy to store in a compact carrying pouch. Whether you're camping, hiking, off-roading, or preparing your vehicle for emergencies, this tool is a reliable companion. Its durable construction ensures it won't fail when you need it most, making it a top-tier choice for preppers and survivalists. Number 4. Trip Alarm. Number 4 on our list is the Trip Alarm, a smart and non-lethal security device designed to alert you of movement around your campsite or property. Now, this system uses a concealed tripwire that, when triggered, sets off a loud audible alarm. It is ideal for protecting your campsite, farm, gate, or any restricted area without causing harm to people or animals. The alarm is spring-triggered, reloadable, and fully reusable, making it a dependable addition to your security setup. Lightweight and easy to install, it provides peace of mind while you sleep or step away from your camp. Whether you're worried about wildlife or unwanted intruders, This trip alarm gives you an early warning so you can react accordingly. It's a simple yet effective tool that every prepper should consider adding to their safety kit. Number 5. Survival Paracord Bracelet. At number 5, we have the Survival Paracord Bracelet, a compact and wearable survival kit packed with essential tools. So this bracelet isn't just a stylish accessory, it's a life-saving device in disguise. It features a built-in compass, an SOS LED light, with 3 different modes, a fire starter, a loud rescue whistle, and about 10 feet of 550-pound paracord. The LED light is bright enough to be seen from over 30 feet away and can last for more than 18 hours, making it useful in low-light situations. The high-decibel whistle ensures you can be heard if you need rescue, while the paracord can be used for shelter building, tying gear, or emergency repairs. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing for survival scenarios, this bracelet keeps critical tools right on your wrist at all times. Number 6. Tactical First Aid Kit. Number 6 is the Tactical First Aid Kit, an essential piece of gear for anyone serious about preparedness. This kit is designed for fast response in high-stress situations, whether you're in the wilderness, on the road, or in an emergency scenario. It includes a wide range of medical supplies, from basic wound care items to advanced zip stitch closures for treating deep cuts when professional medical help isn't immediately available. The rugged, compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack, vehicle, or go bag. Built with durability in mind, it can withstand harsh conditions while keeping your supplies organized and accessible. Whether you're a hiker, survivalist, or everyday driver, having a reliable first aid kit could literally save a life. Number 7. Window Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter Tool. At number 7, we have the Window Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter Tool, a must-have for every vehicle. This compact emergency tool combines 3 life-saving functions in one device: a sharp seatbelt cutter, a powerful window breaker, and a built-in flashlight. In the event of a car accident, especially one involving water or fire, this tool can help you escape quickly and safely. The seatbelt cutter can slice through jammed belts in seconds, while the window breaker is strong enough to shatter glass for a rapid exit. The integrated flashlight provides visibility in dark or smoky conditions. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a keychain attachment so you can keep it within reach at all times. Number 8. Tactical Card Multi-Tool. Number 8 is the Tactical Card Multi-Tool, a slim and minimalist tool that fits right into your wallet. Made from durable stainless steel, this card-sized gadget includes multiple useful functions such as a can opener, screwdrivers, wrench, ruler, and even a money clip. Despite its small size, it is incredibly practical for everyday tasks like tightening screws, opening bottles, or making quick measurements. It's lightweight, discreet, and perfect for everyday carry or survival situations. If you want a tool that won't weigh you down but can still come in handy, this is an excellent choice. Below is the expanded and more detailed version of items 9 to 16 only, written in the same storytelling, voiceover-friendly style as before. Each product now has significantly more depth, detail, and flow, while keeping your original order and structure. Number 9. Therm Cell Vault 18. At number 9. And the Therm Cell Vault 18 is one of those quiet but incredibly important pieces of prepper gear that many people overlook. In a real emergency, batteries can be just as valuable as food or water, and this case is built to protect them like no ordinary storage box. Constructed from rugged, impact-resistant polymer, the Cell Vault 18 is designed to survive harsh environments, drops, moisture, dust, and rough handling in backpacks or vehicle kits. Unlike flimsy plastic cases, this one seals tightly to keep your batteries safe from water and corrosion, which is crucial for long-term storage. Inside, it securely holds multiple rechargeable batteries in an organized layout, preventing them from rattling around or making accidental contact that could cause discharge. The transparent lid allows you to quickly check your battery supply without opening the case, saving time in critical moments. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into a go bag, survival kit, or glove compartment. Whether you're powering flashlights, radios, GPS devices, or other essential electronics, this case ensures your backup power is always protected, accessible, and ready when you need it most. Number 10. Dango Multi-Tool Wallet. Number 10 brings us to the Dango Multi-Tool Wallet, a perfect blend of everyday carry style and tactical functionality. Unlike traditional bulky wallets, this one is slim, modern, and designed for people who prefer efficiency without sacrificing durability. Crafted from premium leather and reinforced materials, it feels sturdy in hand while still looking sleek and professional. One of its standout features is built-in RFID blocking technology, which prevents electronic thieves from scanning and stealing your personal information, credit card details, or ID data without your knowledge. Despite its compact profile, the wallet comfortably holds your essential cards, cash, and identification while remaining lightweight and pocket-friendly. What truly sets it apart is the integrated multi-tool embedded within the design. This hidden utility includes useful functions like a screwdriver, pry bar, bottle opener, and small wrench, giving you practical problem-solving ability wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, working, or navigating daily life, this wallet keeps your essentials safe while secretly doubling as a survival and repair tool. Number 11. Redivis RT22 Two-way radios. At number 11, the Redivis RT22 two-way radios are an excellent communication solution for preppers, outdoor adventurers, and professionals alike. In situations where cell service is unreliable or completely unavailable, these radios provide a dependable way to stay connected with your group. Designed for long-range communication, they deliver clear audio quality even in challenging environments like forests, mountains, or large open areas. Each unit comes with a rechargeable battery that supports USB charging, making it convenient to power up using power banks, car chargers, or solar panels. The compact and lightweight design means you can carry them comfortably on hikes, camping trips, or job sites without feeling weighed down. Hands-free operation allows you to talk while keeping your hands free for other tasks, which is especially useful in emergencies or tactical situations. With simple controls and durable construction, the Redivis RT22 is a reliable and practical communication tool every prepper should consider. Number 12. Vortex Optics Recce Pro Monocular. Number 12 is the Vortex Optics Recce Pro Monocular, a high-performance optic built for serious outdoor observation and tactical use. Unlike basic binoculars or cheap monoculars, this one features an advanced HD optical system that delivers sharp, crystal-clear images even in low-light conditions like dawn or dusk. The integrated MRAD reticle allows users to estimate distance, track movement, and analyze terrain with precision, making it particularly useful for hunters, hikers, and security-minded individuals. Built with durability in mind, the Recce Pro is both fog-proof and waterproof, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or humid environments. The rubber-armored exterior provides a secure, non-slip grip while also protecting the internal lenses from shock or impact. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a backpack or tactical vest while still offering professional-grade performance. Backed by Vortex's unlimited lifetime warranty, this monocular is not just a tool. It's a long-term investment in preparedness and situational awareness. Number 13. Magnetic Tactical Flashlight. At number 13, the Magnetic Tactical Flashlight stands out as one of the most powerful and reliable lighting tools on this list. With an impressive output of up to 2,100 lumens, this flashlight can illuminate large areas or focus on distant targets up to 500 meters away. Whether you're navigating through darkness, searching for someone, or working in an emergency situation, this level of brightness provides unmatched visibility. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, offering up to 8 hours of continuous use depending on the mode. A magnetic charging port makes recharging quick and hassle-free, even in outdoor or rugged environments. The tail switch allows you to easily toggle between brightness levels, strobe mode, and tactical settings, even while wearing gloves. Built to military-grade durability standards, this flashlight is waterproof, shockproof, and drop-resistant from up to 3 meters, making it reliable in extreme conditions. Number 14. Tactical Mask. Number 14 is the Tactical Mask, a serious piece of protective gear designed for high-risk environments and survival situations. Unlike basic face coverings, this full-face respirator provides advanced protection against toxic gases, chemical fumes, smoke, and airborne contaminants. It is commonly used by military personnel, first responders, and serious preppers who want maximum safety in extreme scenarios. The mask features replaceable filtration cartridges that remove harmful particles from the air while still allowing comfortable breathing. Its wide, clear visor provides excellent peripheral vision, which is crucial for situational awareness during tactical or emergency situations. The adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable fit for different face shapes and sizes. One of its most practical features is the integrated drinking system, which allows the wearer to stay hydrated without removing the mask. Durable, reusable, and highly effective, this tactical mask is built for those who take preparedness seriously. Number 15. Anti-Fog Tactical Goggles. At number 15, the anti-fog tactical goggles are designed to provide maximum eye protection without compromising visibility. Built with impact-resistant lenses, these goggles protect your eyes from flying debris, dust, shrapnel, and harmful UV rays. The anti-fog coating ensures that your vision remains clear even in high-intensity or humid environments, preventing dangerous visual obstructions. These goggles come with 3 interchangeable lenses, clear, tinted, and polarized, allowing you to adapt to different lighting conditions, whether indoors, outdoors, daytime, or nighttime. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit, even during long periods of wear. A hard, protective case is included, making them easy to transport and store safely. Whether you're shooting, hunting, working in hazardous environments, or engaging in tactical training, these goggles are a must-have for serious protection. Number 16. Multifunction Tactical Watch. Finally, at number 16, we have the Multifunction Tactical Watch, a rugged and feature-packed timepiece built for outdoor and survival use. Far more than just a regular watch, this tactical model is designed to withstand extreme conditions while providing useful real-world functions. The waterproof construction makes it suitable for rain, swimming, and harsh weather, ensuring reliability in any environment. And the digital LED display clearly shows essential information such as time, date, alarm, stopwatch, and sometimes even temperature or compass readings depending on the model. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you discover some valuable tactical gear and gadgets that could make a real difference in your preparedness and everyday carry setup. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist, a weekend camper, or simply someone who likes to be ready for anything, having the right tools can bring confidence, security, and peace of mind. Every item on this list was chosen for its practicality, durability, and real-world usefulness, so you can trust that these aren't just cool gadgets, but gear that could genuinely help you when it matters most. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or fellow preppers who might benefit from these recommendations. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the products we talked about today, so you can explore them further and decide which ones are right for you. Also, consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy content about survival, tactical gear, and outdoor preparedness. We're always bringing you the latest and most useful gear reviews. Stay prepared, stay safe, and always be ready for whatever life throws your way. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.